clear left.
Clear right.
I don't see anybody on approach. Clear left.
Furlong traffic, Skyhawk 1100, taking runway 7 for departure. Furlong.
Runway 725.
Hey, we didn't brief it, but let's play with this flaps 10 stuff so we can nail it, okay?
All right.
So you can either do soft field, or since we stop, we're going to do max performance.
All right.
Okay, so you're going to run it up with the brakes.
Yep.
All good, go ahead.
That's 10.
Okay, and when you're comfortable, everything's good, roll it. And back pressure.
Airspeed's alive.
Yeah, and get airborne as soon as you can. There you go. Now keep the nose low though.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I have the controls. Because I don't want to drift too much for 60 and get the nose up once you're above 60. I just didn't want to drift any more left. I don't know why we drifted. I wasn't flying, so that's it. You have the controls.
I have control.
You have the controls. Was it a wind thing or something? Yeah, I don't know.
It's a wind thing, yeah.
Yeah, it's hard for me to discern why, so I just like, let me keep us from going off the end. That's a little harder for us because, you know, we're heavy. Yeah. But anyway, I do want you to get used to
Loud and clear.
the 60 and the dropping the flaps and the getting the nose up. Look at the rainbow. You and rainbows, man.
Yeah. Oh, that's where the rain went.
Now, if you're going west, by the way, did you ever start? So, real quick, this is a good point.
Yeah.
Let's start your clock for your pilotage when you're passing the airfield, a beam.
Right, that was
That's
my
the plan. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to reiterate that. And in the textbook, there's a couple of options. They even talk about overflying the field so you get a really accurate heading and time. We're not going to worry about that too much. When you're abeam the field, you start your clock. I don't have a copy of the navlog. Next time we do this, print 2.
Okay.
Furlong traffic, 1096, text from the west ramp to runway 7 via Alpha. Furlong. Furlong driver, Skyhawk 1100, crosswind, runway 11, Furlong.